Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Today's date is 24 of September 2020 and the time check is 3:30 in the afternoon. So we're here. I just want to let you show what's inside in my fridge. Okay, let's open up. What's inside is nothing here, just milk and this one is chili, tomato is like alcohol, and they Yakult and water bottles, another water bottles, and just it's a container, a sugar container. What else? Nothing. Just I open this one, and here I have some salad and green salad. I think this one is a buko pandan, and this one is squid roll, and this one is bread. I want my bread is freeze bread, and then side is a I don't know simangka. Ayaw po din yung simangka. Watermelon flavor, stick ice. Watermelon. Why simangka? I don't know. I have here a jackfruit, freeze jackfruit. I have here a lumpia wrapper. It's a one secret to preserve lumpia wrapper for longer days is to put it in the freeze, and also this one sliced bread to prolong this bread is to let it freeze and you can use it, or you need oven for it and then to heat it up and then eat it. And then I have what is one squid rolls, and I will make a lumpia squid rolls later tonight. Yeah, that's all on my fridge. There's nothing. Yeah, that's all. Okay, that's it.